بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد. نفرض انه هذا روبوت موجود بالاس واحد، هنا اس واحد، يسوي ترانزيشن للاس 3 او ترانزيشن للاس 2 with the probability 0.7 on the left or transition probability 0.3 at the right. All these have the same probability. This is 0.7, this is 0.3, 0.7, 0.3, and so on. Here, S4 transition to S2, transition to S4, S5 transition to S7 and S8, S3 transition to S5 and S6. This is a transition right and this is transition of the left. This is the terminal state, S8, and this is also terminal state. But when transition from S2 to S4, probability equal 1. Also here probability equal 1 now. Only this probability, this is probability 1, and so on. This is assumption, discount factor gamma 0.9, all initial value Vs equals 0. This is initial policy, random policy, S1 right, S2 right, S3 right, S4 none, right, none. This is the transition of the left from S1 to S2.7, from S1 to S3.3, from S2 to S4.7, S2.5 to S5.3, and so on. But the left from S1 to S2, this is right, 0.3, S1 to S3, 0.7, and so on. This is the transition. This is the policy. This is V pi, value of the pi for S state S1, for state S2, for state S3, and so on, all equals 0. We use this formula. Policy evaluation step in the first S1. V pi equal R S1. R S1 is 0 from this figure. This is reward 0, this is reward plus 2, this is also reward S4 minus 1, reward S3 plus 1, reward S5 plus 3, and this is reward plus 5, and this is reward minus 7, this S6 reward minus 3. Okay. We use the first reward 0 plus 0.9 gamma summation and probability 0.7, probability 0.3, 0.7.3 from this table, 0.7 and 0.3. VS, this is VS 0 and S3 0. When you calculate this equation, we get 0. Put 0 here. For example, we use S2 to state 2 to calculate V pi in the same. This is the reward 2. This is the reward plus 2. 0.9 gamma 0.7 0.3 multiplied by 0 equal to, and put here. We can continue policy evaluation steps for all state. Only reward counts since V pi are 0, and use this formula. When we calculate S3 and S4 and this result, we can verify. Now we can calculate S1. When we use left, when we use right, that is right transition table. We use the transition table right here and left here to calculate S1. When we calculate S1, pi S1 0.9 gamma 0.7 multiplied by 2, this 0.3, this is 0.3, no, this is 0.3, this is 0.3, and this is 0.7, but this is 0.7 here, and here, 0.3. When we calculate VS 1.53, left and right 1.17, we use the maximum value from between two this value. Then we take this value 1.53, update this value 0 to 1.53 and update the policy right, we update it to left. Also use S2, this is So yes, is to also calculate pi and take the maximum. This is the maximum, and update is to and update it right. Continue S3. So this is the maximum left. Update left, and this is S5. This is S1. This is S3. S4. S5. S6, and we do not update this because it is terminal state. Then we update all these values: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, and this is not update. Okay, here he chose the maximum. We note that S1 transition to S2, S2 transition to S5, S3 transition to S5, S5 transition to S8, and S6 transition. This is the new policy. This is the new policy of the robot transition robot. Thank you very much for all.